Hello everyone. This review is about the OG Casio F91 W, which I purchased recently, and I am giving this review after wearing it after 1 week. And this is my second watch in my collection, and I had my first watch that is of First Track brand, and after wearing it for 7 to 8 years, I purchased this one. So in this review, I will be telling you about why I bought this particular watch. So the story is like this. I had a budget of 12,000, 13,000. So I had uh, one watch in mind, that is the Casio 730D in silver color. And so significantly, I went to showroom to buy that one. And when I reached there, I saw this one on the display table. So it quickly caught my attention, and I asked the person behind the counter to bring it to me, and I checked this watch, and and I wore it on my hand, and it suddenly like caught my attention, and I was fascinated by it. And then then the seller who was selling this told me about the history of this watch. It's little bit controversial, but it's not gonna affect you in any way. And then I purchased it. It costed me around 1300 rupees INR. And then and the next day I started wearing it, and I don't know, but this watch is like this wearing this watch gave me so much confidence, like any other watch. And people also notice you, because this is something not in trend. It was in trend, but now but it will catch people's attention. And if catching people attention is not your concern, then this watch will make you feel confident when you start wearing it. And it was difficult for me to adjust for the first 3 days, because I was wearing a watch which has a big dial size, the First Track one. And coming to this size, for me to get used to was difficult. And not it was not that difficult, because it's very lightweight, around 21 grams, I guess. And I will also link the uh, product, and I will also put the specification of this product in the description of the box. uh, and then I also what then I started wearing it. And for the first 2 to 3 days, first 2 to 3 days, it was like I was not wearing anything on my hand. Then I got used to it. And if you have a big wrist size, then it will sit very well in your hand, and it will look very classy. And it's a great watch. And what my and it became my favorite watch, and I'm not gonna like replace with anyone. And its battery life is also great, around 6 to 7 years if used properly. And and what and I got and I got also very much interested in collecting these kind of watches, like the vintage series. And I would recommend this watch to you, really. And I will also share some pictures of this watch, which I personally clicked and posted in on Splash account. And I did some editing, but you will be fascinated by this watch when you will see these pictures. And I'll also link those pictures in the description. So it's a great watch. Go for it. Just go for it. And there is this variant of this watch where the blue stripe you are seeing, it is not it's not blue, rather than it's green. It's very rare. I don't know, I think it's discontinued. If you find that one, also go for it. So this is about this video.